Lavash wrapped trout.
An incredibly easy dinner that you can whip together in under 30 minutes. Soft, flaky fish on the inside and crunchy lavash on the outside.
This is by far one of my favorite recipes that we found during our travels through Armenia when we were writing our cookbook Lavash. Fresh trout, you can tell how fresh it is by the eyes. Or any fish. Trim the fins. Cut it in half. Take a sheet of lavash.
Lay it down, drop half your trout in the middle, season it with salt and red pepper all over, add in a pat of butter, a whole lot of tarragon, and roll it up nice and tight like a burrito. And repeat.
Onto a sheet tray and brush it with butter. Make sure to get it all over. It's what's gonna make it crispy. Now into a 400 oven. After about 20 minutes when they're golden brown and crunchy,
put it onto a plate, bust it open, and what you have is crunchy, flaky lavash on the outside, tender, juicy fish on the inside. Remove that bone, add some more tarragon, red pepper, and there you have it. Magic.
Oh, yeah! Oh man, that's so good. Crunchy, soft, buttery, delicious. Tarragon? Don't forget to like this video and follow along for more recipes. Want some?